Joining us, and now we want to bring in Jonathan Turley on the breaking news that we just got out of the Supreme Court. Jonathan, if you're with us, Professor, can you weigh in on what we've just gotten from the court, halting the COVID-19 vaccine rule for U.S. businesses for now? What does all this mean?
Well, this is what some of us predicted after the oral argument. I was struck by the different tone and substance of the questions being raised by the conservatives between the two cases. On the health facility cases, the justices acknowledged that there was a closer nexus there and did not as seriously push back on the larger mandate. It's really the OSHA case that is the more significant mandate for the Biden administration. It was that mandate that President Biden's chief of staff, Ron Klain, celebrated as a, quote, workaround. The White House could not get a mandate from Congress. They initially said that they thought they might have authority for the president to order a mandate, and then they acknowledged they did not. And then Klain retweeted that we found a workaround. We'll have OSHA do it. And this could affect up to 100 million workers. Well, a flag was just thrown on the play. I mean, the Supreme Court justices continually asked for the authority that it was being used here, and they referenced Ron Klain's statement. And as I've said before, the justices are not into workaround, because it's a workaround constitutional authority. They want authority. And they kept on coming back and saying, where did you find this authority? Why isn't this a question for Congress to have ordered, not for some agency to do a workaround?
Yeah, not surprisingly, Jonathan, Justice Breyer, Sotomayor, and Kagan, who all dissented, did not agree with your learned assessment of things, writing in their defense, in their dissent, rather. Today, we are not wise. In the face of a still raging pandemic, this court tells the agency charged with protecting worker safety that it may not do so in all the workplaces needed. They clearly thought it was within the purview of the Supreme Court and the courts to rule on this.
Well, they certainly made no secret of that during the oral argument. What I think they're going to get some pushback on is that all three justices made statements about the pandemic that were heavily criticized in terms of their factual understanding of where we are in terms of cases and the virus. And, of course, Justice Sotomayor was the one who was most criticized for giving a number that was 20 to 30 times higher in terms of this impact on children. And so I think that really did undermine them a bit. But I also have to say, in fairness to them, these are three justices that have always been highly deferential to agencies. They're big supporters of a thing called the Chevron doctrine. And so this is consistent. This is not activism. This goes to the heart of their view of jurisprudence. They believe strongly that you should defer to federal agencies.